Superior 4K image quality, 12 times, 21 times, 30 times zoom options available, delivers true-to-life colors and richly textured images, restores truer colors, delivers richly textured visual imagery, utilizes a new generation ISP image processing algorithm for clear image quality, fast focusing, and ultra-low latency. Self-developed AI tracking algorithm intelligently recognizes human bodies. Features next-generation high-precision motors and dual-stage transmission mechanisms for smoother gimbal rotation and more precise target acquisition. Supports NDI and other basic protocols, and various live streaming and broadcasting tools. H5 supports simultaneous video output from 4 ports. 3G, SDI, HDMI, USB, and LAN meet various daily needs. Widely used in conferencing, church, live streaming, educational, and more.